Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you'd like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Um, Check out the stake pool. The welcome video to the YouTube channel will give you some information on that if you're interested. Um, I'm not at the house today recording these videos. I'm up at the up in the mountains, just enjoying my family, enjoying life a little bit. Um, look at the scenery. Let's see if I can give you a view. Right, it's so beautiful. It's a rainy day, but but it's a good day, right? So anyway, let's see. Today I want to talk about Waya Collective. Waya Collective is Waya Collective is a project that is in partnership with IMX. So this is how I found out about them. They have, I think they have a good vision. Um, they're Well, here I'll just go to their website. If you want to find out more information about them, you can join their Discord. I've created a new area in our Discord. I've had a bunch of people ask me where all these Discord links are. So I've created a new area in our Discord. You can find our Discord on the YouTube channel and all of, our social media. Um, and if you go to our Discord, there's a section here called Project Discord Links, and I've left a link in there if you want to join them and find more information. Their website is wayacollective.com. That's a good place to find out as well. Mainly what I want to talk about is their pre-ISPO sign up that they're offering here. It's a good opportunity if you find this project interesting to get on board and maybe get some bonus rewards. Their project basically is they are, instead of importing products into Africa, they're going to start making them locally there, or they already have started making them locally there. Um, so to keep costs down, it's taking advantage of the manufacturing potential of Africa. So it's, that potential is largely untapped. And this is kind of along the lines of what happened in China, and we see what powerhouse China is now. It was done through manufacturing. So this is going to bring money and freedom to that. Brought millions of people out of poverty, and hopefully something like this will too. I want to remind you, Amazon started out as a bookstore, right? So their main focus right now is in clothing. Making clothing, putting people to work, giving them jobs, giving them a portion of the business as well, which is very good, which is the way it should be done, right? So I encourage you to go on here and look at their website. They have this is just a brief overview for more details. They have a proposal in Project Catalyst. So if you're doing your funding, if you're doing your voting for the different projects that are requesting funding, I encourage you to check their project out and give them a vote. Now the ISPO, the pre-ISPO, it's a sign-up sheet. They haven't gone into ISPO yet. Waya Collective ISPO pre-sign-up sheet. We want to invite the Waya Collective supporters of the first hour to join this list. Every person subscribing to this list will substantially boost the Waya ISPO rewards. Okay, so you join this list if you're interested in maybe this project or join their ISPO. You might as well maximize your returns. Okay, you just want to put your name in. They have a wallet address, so whatever wallet you'll be staking with, you want to put that address in their in here, and then make sure you mark it somehow so that you know which wallet you use to stake in their ISPO. Okay. All right. Well, this is just a good project. I encourage you to check it out, and I hope your trading's going well. Y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.